You see this? Now tell me where your grandmother is. You got me some Mexican? Look at that. Oh, you some taco, motherfucker. Oh. You see your son? Go. You see him? He's dead now.
What are you gonna do?
Now, what the fuck is it?
What do you want?
Watch this, everyone. Ready? Set. Now you're gonna tell me where she is, huh? You're not dead yet, stupid trap breaker! I'm gonna kill him nice and slowly now. Watch this, everyone. Never die tonight. Got the rope. Got the rope. Got the rope, go. Stop hanging there. Now. No, I want you to fall on top of your son. Look at his face. Come on. Look at his face. Get up and look at his face. Look at his son's face. Get the fuck up. He's dead. You're dead. He better be dead. He's dead. My God. Look at his fucking face. Son. Look at his face. Take it off.
My God. My son. My son. What did you do?
You see your son? Oh, he's gonna look pretty. Oh, give me his face. Give me his face. Oh, yes, he looks very pretty. Yes.
Don't you?
Get the fuck down. You're dead, Mike. Oh, shoot. No, fight. This is what happens when you fuck with me.
Who are you, Scarface?
Put on here. When your grandmother may see this, I hope she knows you died in heaven. Being some racial motherfucker. How are you still alive? Severed spine. According to Betty. This someone's gonna look like. You're dead, Mike. It's a terrible aim. This is what happens when you mess with something